I can imagine how you felt when you took your phone at exactly 5 p.m. Nigerian time yesterday. You logged into your Nikilive app with the hope of completing your day's task and collect your money, and you were approached with this annoying difference on the tax center. Yes, guys, there is an update on Nikilive app, and in this video today I'm going to be sharing that with you, and I'm also going to share with you the feedback I got from the administrators of the app in China. So if this kind of video interests you, all you have to do is to stick to the end of this video and leave a like on this video, and also subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, so whenever I post any video related to Nikilive app, Poppolive, or any other app or any other site that pays legit money to its users, you will be the first to get notified. Even if you are new on this, if you're new to my channel, you are highly welcome, and to my returning subscribers, I thank you for always coming back to stick around. So if you're new to this, you don't know what I'm talking about, just DM me. My WhatsApp digit will be in the description, so all you have to do is to DM me. I will explain all I'm talking about, or all what this app is all about, so for you to be able to make real and legit money on this app. So without wasting any much of your time, let's get straight to the video. Alright guys, we know normally on the Nikilive app, when you register as a new user, you get $2 per live stream tax on the app. Yes, different from other apps you may have worked in, you might be getting lesser, but this app surprisingly had more offer to render to us. But all of a sudden yesterday at exact 5 p.m. Nigerian time, they had to change this new reward due to the fact that according to the administrators, they said were losing, you understand, and they do not want we who are new users on the app to just take the $14 bonus and we don't do anything on their app. Although we know that is the plan of many of you on this on the app right now. Your own is to just take $14 on the app, then vamos. Yeah, so they want to prevent that and avoid that, so that was why they changed the system. So if you're new on the Nikilive app, you will no longer be getting $2 per hour. You just be getting 50 cents. Sorry, you no longer be getting $1 per hour, not $2 per hour. You just be getting 50 cents. So that's in a day now, you just be getting $1. That's for 2 hours live stream you'll be doing. So that's just the update on the app. I spoke with one of the administrators from China, and they explained to me, they poured their heart, and I also had to tell them that if they want this to favor both of them, they have to do something about it. Do they mean that as you brought the hourly reward now, then all of a sudden you will just not give us any tax? Because everyone was not seeing any tax on their tax center. So they now told me that it will be adjusted. Even most people woke up to see a particular message in their official message that it will be adjusted to 50 cents. Now that is equivalent to 5,000 beans on the app. So instead of 10,000 beans that is the usual amount that we earn from doing 1 hour live stream, which everybody loved, we are now going to be getting 5,000 beans. So that's the update that they had to do. They had to upgrade their system because they felt they were losing out, and just to prevent every one of us from logging into their app daily to just collect the 7-day reward and do not come back again to spend on the app. So that's why they made it like that, so it will favor both sides. Okay, so if you are on the app right now, if you've not logged into the app today, maybe you've changed your mind and you've given up on the app and you came across this video, all you have to do is to log into your account. If you see you are fine with the new rewards, hourly tax reward, you can just continue your tax and earn your money. And yes, they are legit and they pay legitimately. Okay, because many people have withdrawn from the app. No, on Poppo app you withdraw immediately, but on this app you have to withdraw very early on Tuesday morning. Initiate your withdrawal on Tuesday early morning, because we have the time frame with China and Nigeria is totally different. When we are in our own night, they will be in the next day. So that's I've confirmed that. So that's what happened. So if you go and initiate a withdrawal on Tuesday night, there is no way you receive your money on Thursday. So for you to be able to withdraw your money on Thursday, just initiate your withdrawal on Tuesday early morning, so you'll be able to get your money withdrawn to your USDT wallet. If you don't have a USDT wallet, you can use my address your agent's address, anyone you know you trust. Okay, so you just withdraw to our own address, then all we have to do is to transfer the equivalent to naira to you. Okay, so that's how easy it is. But if you want to own your own USDT wallet, I have the video, it will be in the description, or you can just check my channel. I'll be dropping my playlist where you see all the videos on all of these apps. So I just decided to come and tell every one of you that do not give up on the app. The app is still real, it still pays well. All you have to do, if you know that the 50 cent is stressed you and it's not going to be of any issue to you, just call and continue your task. If you have any questions, if you want to become an agent, if you want to know if there's commission from being an agent, if you want to know how the app works, if you want to do anything on the app, do not hesitate. I keep repeating it, and you guys have been doing well. I've been seeing massive changes, but the thing is that people don't really like the video, you don't really subscribe, but you guys are still trying nevertheless. Okay, so just do not hesitate to leave a comment below. I'll be responding to each and every comment I get on this video, and as well my digit will be in the description. Just message me, I'm always available. If I'm not available, I will definitely respond to your question. So that's basically it. So for agents do not have any tax. If you check the agent management center, how agents rewards work, you will see it there. But if you want me to make a video to explain it to you, because I realized that their explanation is not self-explanatory, let me just put there, whatever they put there is not self-explanatory, but I've been able to get to understand since the administration explained it to me word for word. So I've been able to understand. So if you want to know why you agents do not see your tax, drop a comment in this video. If I get up to like 20 comments about that, I'll make a video. If I don't get, you can just DM me so on my WhatsApp number. So guys, that's basically, and yeah, I know what to be on your mind right now is that 50 cents still going to run for 7 days. Yes, it's still going to run for 7 days. I've asked them, and it's still going to run for 7 days. If you are a new user on the app, if you were not able to complete your task, you will see that you will still have that 50 cents there now until you are done with the 7 days. So at least they did well. Okay, even if they reduce their distance, just for them to like, for us to for it to be favorable on both sides. That's why they have to do that. So if you are interested in starting on this app, you want to make money, so now it's no longer going to be like $14 in a week. It's going to be $7 in a week. So for the first 1 week, and I think few days, like 2 days or 3 days, you'll be able to get your $10, because the minimum amount you can withdraw on the app is $10. So by God's grace, you'll be able to get to $10 by I think after 1 week and few days, so you can be able to initiate your withdrawal. So that's just basically it. So if you know you are okay with this, just go ahead and continue doing your task. If you have any question, I'll be there for you on my WhatsApp channel. And to those of you interacting on my channel, sharing my videos, tapping on that like button every day, dropping a wonderful comment, subscribing to my channel, telling everybody about me, you guys, I owe you a lot. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. I know I cannot express myself so much, but I really appreciate. So if it's that you have watched up to this moment and you have not yet smashed that like button and you've not subscribed, do that right now. And if you want to share, the share icon is there. If you don't know how to share, just ask me in the comment section. I will show you how to share videos on YouTube. So guys, I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye.